Fenty highlight.
Because he on the other side of the protective side of my mom, so it's gonna come off different.
Just look at this one, yawning.
Alright, girls, go get it. Yeah.
Yeah, get some products, Bridget. Get some products and stand them up. Bridget, like put the products on the floor.
Put the products on the ground. Okay.
Beautiful, girl. I'm weak.
Give me my gold.
That's why I used to have the money.
Pick your one of your products. That's your flagship. Shampoo, the flagship. Yeah, I think most people cover. What's the other most?
These two.
All right.
Outside of the bundle.
Let's do the spray.
Spray.
Yep. Adjust that.
Hi everyone, my name is Bridget and I am the owner of Loc'd by Nature. Today I have my latest products, which is my shampoo brush and also my microfiber towel.
You can put that down and pick the microphone up. Leave both of them down. Introduce yourself. Bridget, Loc'd by Nature.
Take two.
Hi everyone, my name is Bridget and I am the owner of Loc'd by Nature, where I provide you with all the natural hair care, vegan hair care products.
Go.
Hi, my name is Bridget and I am the owner of Loc'd by Nature, where I provide all the latest natural vegan hair care products. Today I would like to introduce you to my new latest products. Here I have with me the shampoo brush that you use when your hair is either wet or dry. And I also have my latest new handmade microfiber towels. And it soaks up 80% of the water in your hair, so you don't have to worry about sitting on the dryer as long, because we all have to sit up under the dryer.
Now smile. There you go. Love it. Put it. Bring both hands out to the side. There you go. Slide them in just a little bit. There you go. Boom,
Oh
boom,
yes, the dud.
boom.
Oh,
Yes.
One time. Don't move.
what is pretty? Yeah, I do this. Me too. Yeah.
Bring that hand to bring that hand behind your neck. I said behind your neck. But
Oh, behind my neck. Okay. Which one?
inside your neck.
Put the products on
Inside
the
your neck.
fire first time.
This one's a little bit. Yeah, this one. I be asking my That, see, I was gonna touch your hips. I told Jopi I did it. You did it without me having to do it.
How should my hands be?
Just like that. Boom. Okay. Now bring them up to your hips. Boom. Look this way. Turn your whole head from me. Turn your whole head.
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
And the right hands.
Lifestyle pictures.
Am I in the vlog?
With the Panda.
Panda.
The Panda. And we're done.
Yeah. It's a wrap.
Y'all excited? Okay, now.